Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video we are going to learn about lithium, what are its properties and very important its applications. The first element of the group 1, that is alkali metals. So these are some of the applications that we are going to see in this video. So first let us understand what are the minerals of lithium. What is a mineral? Mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic solid, naturally occurring crystalline. It is crystalline in nature, crystalline inorganic solid from which metal can be extracted. Inorganic solid. So these are some of the minerals from which we can get lithium. First one is lepidolite. So you can see this purple crystals that you can see, that contains lithium. And this white part that you can see is what? Pale quartz. Quartz means it is silica, impure silica. Okay, this is one of the mineral, that is lepidolite. Another mineral is petalite. Okay, these are what? These are grayish in color, gray white crystals of petalite from which we can get lithium. And after purification of both these minerals, we can get pure lithium. As we had seen in the last video of alkali metals, they are what? They are lustrous or shiny. Okay, but you can see, is this shiny metal? No. Why doesn't it is not shiny? It is dull. Okay, it becomes dull when it is exposed to air. It reacts with oxygen and moisture and it becomes dull in color. Okay, so this was about the minerals. Now let us see about the electronic properties of lithium. Its atomic number is 3, atomic mass number is 7. Since it is a neutral element, so number of protons is what? 3. Number of electrons, negatively charged particle, is also 3 because a neutral atom is electronically neutral. So positive charge and negative charge both are same. And how do you find out number of neutrons? Atomic mass is neutron plus proton. So neutron will be, atomic mass is 7. 7 minus number of proton is 3. So there are 4 neutrons. So you can see 3, negative charge is electrons. This is what? This is protons. And 4 neutrons. So you can see in the nucleus they have shown here 1, 2, 3 and 1 at the back, 4 neutrons, 3 white colored protons and 3 electrons. Where do you find lithium? Lithium is seen here in the periodic table, first element. Okay, hydrogen is not a alkali metal because it has properties similar to that of group 1 as well as that of the non-metals found in P block. Okay, now non-metals found in P block. So that is why we study hydrogen separately. What is the physical state? It is a solid, as we had seen just now. It was discovered in 1817. Next, where do we find lithium in nature? We can find it in oyster mushrooms. While the oyster mushroom grows, it absorbs lithium from the soil, and we can also see in prawns, they also absorb lithium from where? From the seawater. Prawns as well as some shellfish absorb lithium from the seawater. What are some of the very important applications of lithium in space? One is in the formation of a Hale telescope mirror. Okay, in the manufacturing of this mirror, what they do is they add lithium. Why? This lithium is added to stop the warping of the disc. Now what is the meaning of warping? Initially this disc is what? This is smooth. Okay, as you can see, this person, it is making this disc smooth and it is supposed to remain smooth. Okay, and it is supposed to remain smooth or shiny. What is the meaning of warped disc? Warped disc means its surface of the mirror becomes uneven. Okay, it becomes uneven. Okay, it does not remain smooth. To prevent this warping of the disc, what is added is lithium is added. So that, and when does this warping takes place? At higher temperatures. Okay, when we add lithium, this warping can be prevented. Okay, this is one of the applications. Another very important application is in Apollo 13 spacecraft, a air scrubber is used where what is used? Lithium hydroxide is added. What is the role of lithium hydroxide here? To purify the air inside the spacecraft. Okay, in the air scrubber, lithium hydroxide is used. So now let us see what are some of the applications in medicine. It is used in the manufacturing of artificial teeth. Artificial teeth consist of lithium disilicate compound. Okay, so what is the role of this compound? It makes the artificial teeth stronger. Another application is in syringe. We apply a lithium coating inside the syringe. Why? To prevent the clotting of the blood sample. Once the blood sample is withdrawn, it should not get clot. It should not be clotted. So to prevent the clotting of the blood sample, we add a lithium coating inside the syringe. Okay, now let us see some very important daily life application. The most common and without which we cannot survive is our lithium-ion battery. Where we use lithium-ion battery, we use our smartphones daily, and our battery in the smartphones is nothing but a lithium-ion battery. Okay, now let us see how does a lithium-ion battery works. So lithium-ion battery works. How does it work? So you can see first there are two electrodes. One is a negatively charged electrode, another is a positively charged electrode. So this is the discharging process of the electrode. Okay, discharging. Why I'm telling this is discharging? Because these batteries, they are rechargeable. Okay, we know we recharge our phone battery every day and bring it to use. Okay, so this is a discharging mode. Okay, the plug is not connected. We are not charging the battery. It is completely charged, and during discharging, what happens that we are seeing now. Lithium ion moves. Lithium ions, they are being. What is lithium ion? It is a positively charged ion. So it will move towards a negatively charged electrode. So it starts moving from negatively charged electrode and it ends up at the positively charged electrode. During this course, what happens? There are some electrons in the phone that are pushed, that are moving. Okay, as the lithium ions move, negatively charged electrons are pushed through the phone. That will create what? That will create the electricity that is necessary to run our phones. At the end, what happens? The positively charged electrode will collect all the lithium ions as the battery loses charge. Now, once the charging is completed, we will again plug in the charger and we can do the charging process. Okay, so this was the lithium ion battery. Another very, very important application of lithium battery is in electric car. Okay, this is a charging point, and once the battery is completely charged, this car can run for 1 hour. And what is the speed? Speed that it runs on is it can run for 64 kilometers. Okay, distance that it can run by one full charge, one complete charge of this battery, lithium ion battery, is it can run for 64 kilometers or 40 miles on one charge of the lithium ion battery. So this is the end of this video. I hope you found the applications of lithium interesting. Thank you.